Hello everyone, it is Erin Flitto here, and I am here doing my Traveler's Notebook setup for the month of May. This is the new sticker kit that came out at the beginning of May. It is called Rainbow Office, and I love this theme so much. I am just immensely happy with how it ended up turning out. And it actually inspired me to update my office and do some rainbow murals and things like that, which hopefully you will be able to see towards the end of this month. I haven't quite, actually, I haven't started. I was about to say I haven't quite finished, but I actually have not started at all. So, anyways, if you are interested, I will leave a link to the kit down below. And I am also pairing it with this Simply Gilded rainbow washi with the black background. I don't get to use those black washi tapes all that often, so I was really happy to be able to do that here. This kit is a bit customized. I use 3 sheets from the main bullet journaling kit, and then I also created a sheet for myself so that it fits my needs for my business. And I'm also using this number strip that is available in my shop as well. So this is the monthly calendar right here. So this is just a basic look at what is going on, what days are like really important items. I also have a monthly schedule later on in this setup, and that is specific to looking at the different videos that are going live. But this May schedule is for basically my shop and then live streams and things like that. And then next to it, I also have my finances section, which I track my income and expenses. It makes my life a lot easier come tax time. So I track my income streams, which is Etsy, website, YouTube, my affiliate money, Patreon, and then I have a catch-all as other. And then I also have an expenses section, and I have a total for each of those sections. Again, it makes my life so much easier come tax time. And if you have your own small business, I highly, highly recommend that you do this. The next page is my monthly goals. So this is broken down into different weeks, and then there is 2 goals per week that I have. So I am pairing that with some of the decorative stickers down below. So these week numbers stickers are part of my Patreon specific sticker sheets. So if you are ever interested in getting some of these customized stickers, then it is definitely worth it to join Patreon because they get the sticker kit itself at a discounted price, and then they also get the add-ons available that they pick and choose. So you get a lot of say over what happens in the bullet journaling kit and or the weekly kit if you join Patreon. So I do 2 goals for every single week in the month. Usually it's things like get the new releases out, or it can be something like this past month I hired a shop manager, so doing that is a lot of work, but of course it was extremely necessary for me, so that was part of my monthly goals, is getting a shop manager and hiring one by a certain date. This next page is my monthly review. You guys all know it. I track the platform, I track the start and the end numbers for each of those, and then I don't know. I don't really do anything with it at this point. I really do need to focus on my growth. I do have a place for growth plans, but I have not been great at doing that. So this is my monthly schedule. This is what I was talking about earlier, that I include all of my YouTube videos and things like that into the monthly schedule. And then on the main calendar is like my big ticket items. So this video schedule, I probably should just call it video schedule, but it sometimes includes other things as well. So I have the monthly schedule on the left and then a to do on the right. I do love that banner. I love how that banner turned out. It's not the most practical of banners. That's why I had to put the to do in the top corner like that. But I love the idea of the tabletop and then having that cute little thing, wire, like, you know, those like wire organizer things that you can put up on your wall. It's one of those. So I have my number strip to the left and a checklist sticker to the right. Again, all of these stickers are available in my shop. So now I'm just adding in some of the decorative elements. I loved putting these little decorative pieces together. That washi strip stack is one of my favorite things. Um, so I'll be able to add a little bit more deco into that particular area, like the monthly schedule and the to-do list, once I have some of the items written in. But I don't want to take away from being able to write in. So and I don't like moving stickers around, even though all of my stickers are completely reusable and removable and all that kind of stuff. I'm just lazy. So I just put some of them down at the bottom and then I'll move them around or add some more decorative elements once I have the schedule and to-do list in there. So this next one is my YouTube video list. So this is just a list of general YouTube videos that have been requested of me or that I had ideas for that I wanted to bring along for the ride every single month. So even though I'm not doing all of these videos every month, it's helpful for me to be able to look at a list and then make some decisions about if I am doing that YouTube video, because I usually schedule that about a month in advance. So this next page is for my Patreon. I think I realized that I want to fill in that decorative piece right there, and the 3-tier cart actually fits perfectly, so I just moved some stickers around. I was lazy, and apparently now I'm not, because I really wanted that 3-tier cart there. So this Patreon list is for marking in live streams and to-do lists specific to my patrons. The live streams are changing for a little bit for the next couple months. It's going to be all patron live streams. It's not going to be separated out into gold and diamond tiers. Everyone is going to participate in all the live streams. I think it's kind of a multitude of things. I've just been a bit. I want to get more of a sense of community feel back into my Patreon, and I'm not. I don't think there's anything wrong with it right now, but I do think that at the beginning of the pandemic we had a really wonderful sense of community that could all lean on each other, and I think as the pandemic kind of has lessened, people are going about their lives and stuff. So I kind of want to get that community feel a little bit back. So there is the content list, the to-do list for my patrons. So these are the things that I do every single month for them, like coming up with a content calendar, providing them discount codes. They have digital downloads. The higher tiers get more digital downloads. Obviously, they get kits sent to them every single month and all that kind of stuff. So this is my my setup for May. I really, really enjoyed it. I am so excited that I got to hire a shop manager and that some of those tasks are going to go to that person now. But this is my setup, and I hope you love this video. please let me know what you love most about this kit. My particular favorite is that desk. I love that desk piece. So anyways, thank you so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye, everyone.